Hello friends, welcome to Anu's Food Cart. I'm so sorry for not uploading many videos in Jan and it's Feb and I haven't uploaded anything yet. I was actually going through several health issues and internet problems and so on, but everything is set now and here I am with my yummy recipes. I have come up with a very simple recipe, dry ginger coffee, because it is apt for the season. Dry ginger coffee helps to fight against flu and fever, and it also helps to keep your body warm during winters. I have taken a teaspoon of dry ginger powder, half a teaspoon of coffee powder, 2 to 3 tablespoons of palm jaggery, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1½ teaspoons of black peppercorn, 10 to 12 leaves of fresh Indian basil or tulsi, 1 1/4 cup of water. Take cumin seeds and black peppercorn and crush it with a mortar and pestle into a coarse powder. Now our spice mix is ready. Place a saucepan on low-medium flame and add water to it. Add palm jaggery and spice mix to the water and mix well. You can adjust the sweetness and spiciness according to your taste, but make sure it is slightly on the spicier side because only then you will be relieved from sore throat. Palm jaggery has amazing health benefits. It is a great source of minerals and helps you fight against virus which causes cold and fever. It is best to use palm jaggery, but it can be replaced with rock candy, palm sugar or jaggery. But please do not use sugar instead of palm jaggery, palm sugar or rock candy because it doesn't help you relieve from cold. Palm jaggery and palm sugar are easily available in all the supermarkets these days, but I have also provided the link below in the description box, so do not forget to check it out. Once the jaggery dissolves completely, add dry ginger powder to it. 2-inch piece of dry ginger can be used instead of dry ginger powder. Just crush it and use it in the coffee. Dry ginger has anti-inflammatory properties which not only helps you relieve from cold and fever but also helps you relieve from digestion problems. So you can have this coffee whenever you have some digestion problems or some congestion in the stomach. Also add Indian basil or tulsi leaves and mix well. Fresh Indian basil or tulsi is a very important ingredient in this recipe because of its medicinal values, but if you can't get hold of fresh Indian basil, just replace it with dry basil leaves which are available widely throughout the superstores, and I have also provided the link below in the description box. Now let it come to a boil. Now add coffee powder and mix well. Boil the coffee until 1/4 cup of it is reduced. It will take around 5 to 7 minutes on low-medium flame. Turn off the flame once done. Filter the coffee with a sieve and serve it hot. So that's it for this recipe. Wasn't it quite easy? I hope you all will try out this recipe this winter at your home and let me know through the comment section below how it turned out for you. Have a warm cup of dry ginger coffee twice or thrice a day to fight against flu and fever. If you are not suffering from cold and fever, just have 1 cup of it. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for many more such amazing recipes. Also click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. I'll see you guys with another yummy recipe. Until then, take care. Bye bye.